Today we are launching our second MathTalk Math Trail, our Clayton County Schools Community MathTalk Math Trail, and here at Clayton County International Park. The Math Trail is a sequence of overlays, math overlays, where students can interact with different images that engage them in talking about mathematics and doing mathematics activities. And it can be the children, the parents, the community members. They can interact with it together, talk about what they're doing. They also have augmented reality, so there are QR codes on the ground at some of them where when they click on the QR code, it will take them to a website that allows them to overlay augmented reality on some of the images. So it's a fun way for our community members to interact with mathematics in their parks. Interact with mathematics, specifically getting them to talk about math, use math language to problem solve. These are, when you look at the giant number line, you wonder why aren't there any numbers on the number line? Because we want you to think about what are these different spaces and how far are they and what kind of numbers would you put on here depending on what you're measuring.
The key word is application. Application through play. And guess what? When the kids are learning, the community is learning, parents are learning. And that's what we want because it truly does take a village.
We're really pushing students to go beyond just the numbers and thinking about how to compute, but think about how do I strategically think. So we're trying to get them to kind of stretch the way that they're using math. They have been so excited about coming out here to do math, and of course that's making me excited and our team excited to see on a day that they're off from school, they are out here playing and interacting and talking about and excited about doing math.
We send a message that no matter where our students are, they can learn. The MathTalk Math Trails, what they say is that you can learn through play. So no matter where you are, you should always be thinking about how to apply what you are learning in the classroom outside of the classroom.
Partnered with MathTalk, and they are the designers and they are the ones that have been leading us through the process of creating the different designs that go out there. They also support us with installing. What I love about it is they will hire right here in Clayton County. So our artists here in Clayton County, our students here in Clayton County are all a part of this process.
The whole Clayton County community is responsible for learning because we're all responsible for the economic advancement of our community.